Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are gonna continue on something. Remember. Wait, let me remember. I got it. It is Solar System Part 1. Do you remember what I taught you at the Solar System Part 1? Yeah, it was my first episode of this YouTube channel of mine. So today we are gonna continue that. So today is Solar System Part 2. So just let's do a recap of what we learned at the last part of mine. I told you the introduction to the planets, all the 8 planets. Remember? Yeah, I know that you remember because solar system it's not a myth because it's real. So I know that you remember it. So today I'm gonna give some information about the space today. That is solar system part 2 for you. So do you know how the astronauts survive in space? I told you there's no air, no sound, and no gravity like how Earth has. See, if we jump in the space, we'll go somewhere else. But if we jump on the earth, we'll just go until there and come back. But it's not like that in space. If you lose the way to your spacecraft in the space, that means you lost your life because space is endless. It is a complete place of darkness and stars and suns and planets. You know about Milky Way? Let me explain you today about the Milky Way. Milky Way is a galaxy. That is where our solar system is a part of Milky Way. So just imagine how big the Milky Way is. Do not forget, Milky Way is one of the smallest galaxy. And you know there's not only one galaxy. There are many galaxies. Many galaxies. Some are very big, some are very small. Milky Way is one of the smallest galaxies. But biggest galaxies are like they can also be the triple size of Milky Way. So move it around. And you know something about how asteroids live over there? How do they survive? Yeah, I was going to continue that time. They don't have air, neither water or sound. So they pack everything in the spacecraft or in the spaceship. And after they pack everything in the spaceship, do not think that they're safe. You know why? Because when you try to drink water, when there's no gravity in the space, when you try to drink water, it comes up in bubbles, not in like it doesn't flow to your mouth. It comes in bubbles because of the gravity. So you need to eat it, not swallow it. Even the same for the food. But it's so hard to survive in the space. And it's a very important mission for every astronauts. Do you know the latest rocket which India sent to the moon? Yeah, it is Chandrayaan 2. Many people say that it is lost. Many people say it is still on the moon, seeing if there is water or not. And you know something about the rockets? You know how much fuel do they need to fly to the space? You think that this rocket is so slow in space. Actually, that's so fast. If you go in the same way in a car, it will be like it will be 1,000 years, million years to reach Mars. I know it's unbelievable, but it is true. Rocket is so fast, but it looks so slow in space because of the gravity. So, you know something else? You need to train so hard to go to space. Many training centers for traveling in space, they have a very big fan in a room, in a separate room for training. They have a very big fan. When you on it and when you jump on it, you won't jump, you'll fly. I know in many space centers it's like that. One of the topmost space centers like ISRO, which is in India, NASA, which is in America. Actually, NASA is also it's so famous. And who's the first person to land on the moon from Earth? Of course, from Earth, because there's no other living being. And many people believe that there are aliens, and many don't. What was the previous question I was asking you? Yeah. Who is the first person on this moon to step on it? It is Neil Armstrong and some other astronauts like Buzz. They stepped on the moon somewhere at 1960s. By now, Neil Armstrong and Buzz and all are very old. They'll not even be walking. They're that old. And in space, not only Earth has one moon. Many places there are moons. Moon is also a type of a planet, but it's not a planet. It is where when it is night for us, it shines. You see a white color ball which shines. Yeah, it is the moon. Moon is much smaller than the Earth. Yeah, it is much smaller than the Earth. It is the quarter size of the Earth. So, moon. Coming to the moon. Moon is in it's white color. Sometimes it is in a shape like banana. I know it's funny. And sometimes it's in the full shape. Or sometimes it's in the half shape also. We can't just guess it, just predict the future. So, now coming to the solar system. The sun. Sun, from the sky it looks much smaller than the Earth. But just imagine how it looks. Because something, it's a secret. Sun is very big. It's a ball of fire. Because of the distance between the Earth and the sun looks smaller. The rays of the sun, the sunlight, they can travel so fast. So fast. The sunlight reaches the Earth in just 8 minutes. For us to go to the sun from Earth, it takes like years. Not more than 10 years actually, but it takes years. Okay, so I continued my solar system part 1 to 2. So that's it for today. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and like my video. Tata, bye bye.